Chapter 1: Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. B. Defines marriage frequency. It speaks for itself that the marriage frequency is very great between the marga ruling in a territory or a village or the indwelling Boru group that has lived there since olden times. As observed earlier, the the ruler, the Pangongom, and the other, the Ginomgom, the ruled Marga after some generations maximum sang. In doing so, it becomes the hula of the ruling Marga. Nevertheless, it is the first marriage in lowland times which determined the general relationship of affinity. The Pidari time, when one could not move freely about the country, the marriage frequency between ruling and indwelling Marga was naturally greater than it is at present, and it was then further stimulated by the preference for a Boru Nitulang Nitulang MBD or a Boru from the Tulang lineage. A preference that has declined in more recent times. The ancient indwelling Marga has therefore rightly been termed the marriage Marga. This term, however, suggests too strongly that marriage with this Marga was the rule and with others the exception. This is not the case and never has been. Other indwelling Marga came into a territory of village after the Boru Nagojong, and many young men also saw his bride outside the territory among the closely related Marga in the same tribal group into which a man could marry, or in the region of adjacent tribal group, and thus often established a new affinal relationship. One factor that contributed to the development of all kinds of such marriages was the gatherings at the regular 4-day markets. In the Silindung Valley, for instance, after the four descendants of Guru Mangaloksa, CP 15, had mutually broken the marriage band existing between them. Panggabean became the Raja Boru of Huta, Toguan, and the Raja Hula Hula, also called Raja Nitutu of Huta Galung, and so on. The terms indicate the direction in which the first marriage went, but rarely, if ever, did these Hasibuan marry into the neighboring Naipospos group, since they were hostile to them. Similar reasons, the marriage frequency between groups which were the first to have affinal relations could be and can be very limited. Raja Lutung, for example, who had no hula hula because he married his sister, became the Raja Hula Hula of Siombing and Simamora, since both his daughters married the ancestors of Siombing and Simamora. Hence, the standing expression, Lotung Sisia Marina Pasia Boruna Siombing Simamora. Lotung has 9 children by one mother, the 9 being made up by the daughters from whom originated the groups just mentioned. Raja Lotung's sons-in-law occupied their own territories on the Humbang Plateau, rather far removed from South Samosir. As a consequence, later on, young girls from Lotung were not willing to marry and live there, and the young men of Siombing and Simamora seldom wanted to go to live in the Lotung area of the Hula Hula. Thus, no part of Simamora has ever lived there, and Siombing is only represented here and there as an indwelling Marga. There is a small fragment from the Marga Lumban Toguan in the Hatoguan territory. Besides that, the marriage band between most of the Lotung Marga, about 30, which occur in South Samosir, has long been lifted. It is thus understandable that the Mangaratai renewal of the affinity link with jumping Samora and parties not often taken place, and it has tended to become more and more platonic in character.